Okay, here I've got this really cool sunset, and I've applied split toning to it to enhance the sunset. Now, I'd like to use this split toning in the future because I kind of like these settings here. So what's an easy way to do this? An easy way to do this is to create a preset. And when you get Lightroom, you've got gobs of presets that ship with Lightroom. Plus, you can search for presets on the web and import them. And you've got a panel down here known as user presets. Now you could store your first presets in here, or you can do like I did and create a folder for your presets. Now to create a folder for presets, all you need to do is click any folder inside the presets panel, right click and choose new folder, and then enter the folder name. And click create. Now we've got a new folder, my cool preset. Well, I'm not going to have one preset, so actually I'm going to delete this because I've got plenty of preset folders already. But that is how you would create and delete a folder. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a preset that will replicate this sunset when I want to apply it. So to create a preset, I click the plus sign and I'm going to name it. I'm going to call it Peachy Sunset, and I'm going to store it in the DPR presets folder, which stands for Doug Plus Rocks, and Doug Plus Rocks Photography is the name of our company. So what did I use to create this preset? Now, when you first open this panel up, you may have a bunch of things that you've done to the image. You may have a bunch of things checked in here. So what I generally do is I start by clicking Check None. And now, what did I do to this? I use split toning. So I'll click split toning and then click create. And it says a preset with that name already exists. So I guess I've used Peachy before. I'll call this Gorgeous Sunset then. And now I'll click create. And there's my new preset. The best way to test a preset is to go down into the history panel and then go back to where you were before you started applying the work in the split toning panel. And that's with synchronized settings in my case. And then go up and just mouse over the preset. And there you see it. And then click it to apply it to the image. And it's just that simple to streamline your workflow by creating a developed preset in Lightroom.